How to fix TikTok not uploading videos. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the problem of not uploading videos on TikTok. So it's so easy, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your TikTok. For example, you did click on post and record a video, but you are unable to post a video. There is a couple reasons why this has happened to you. The first one is maybe you need to clear cache. Go to your profile, click on those three buttons, and click on setting and privacy. Scroll down and click on free up space and clear your cache. If doesn't help, go to your Play Store and upload TikTok. You need to use the latest version of TikTok. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.